Just in case you all aren't sure, this is from the video that I posted on Monday, but I accidentally left this part out, but I also thought it could be a standalone recording. So right now you just see me filing with my 8080 grip file from Pana, and yeah, I'm just gonna let you all watch me do that. Also, one of you all asked me about a update on how the Valentino prepping products were doing, and honestly they're doing really well. I've been having great results, especially when I use the Valentino brand specifically, because I've been using the Valentino primer, dehydrator, and the liquid, and also the powders a lot lately. Like, I've been using the clear instead of the Mia Secret clear whenever I use it. Only thing I will say is I noticed that Valentino, it doesn't necessarily perform as well when it works with its own products as opposed to, I'm sorry, I think I said that wrong. Like, it doesn't perform well with other products, but it performs pretty well with its like own acrylic system. That's what I've noticed. So yeah, I mean, so if you're going to use it, probably try to stick to using the Valentino brands, but it's not terrible. I really do like the liquid. It doesn't have a like super strong odor. It actually smells a whole lot better than the Mia Secret. The only thing I wish though is that it came in a bigger size, but honestly it's okay. I don't mind working with it because they come in 8-ounce bottles, and they have it where you can get 4 for like $100. I think 4 or 5 for $100 on the website, so definitely be sure to check that out. But yeah, all you guys see me doing is using this file to essentially go over the top, and then I will say anytime if you feel like you don't have a good shape, always file underneath, because underneath you may be having that issue there. That's probably maybe making your shape look weird. And also file over top, and then file your sides down. So if it's lumpy and bumpy on top, your sides are going to look lumpy and bumpy, but in truth, like in all honesty, if you turn the nail around, you may see the shape that you want, but the top is distorted, so you need to go ahead and file that down. And then I'm just using the large fine barrel bit from Kiara Sky as well. This actually came with the drill or the e-file, and so that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just filing it. I'm pretty sure I'm using this on a speed of about 8 or 10, nothing too serious. Like, the shape is already great. The nail wasn't really lumpy and bumpy to begin with. I'm just going around the cuticle area, and normally I don't always use this bit on like someone's real nail, but I use a small barrel bit. I don't really like the large barrels because I feel like you can't get in there as well. But this one, it doesn't hurt at all. Like, if I'm doing my own nails, I usually use this one on my own hand because it keeps me from like cutting myself, especially when I'm using my left hand to file my right hand. So yeah, but it was pretty simple and easy. Nothing like hard. It was easy to do, you guys. And I did turn the nail towards the side so you all can see exactly what I'm looking for and what I'm doing. I'm just basically really just looking from all sides to make sure that I'm filing in and getting a nice apex in there. Like I said, your apex does not have to be humongous. Like, there's no need for it to be like a super big old hump at the back, especially for this length. Like, this is not that long. This is more like a medium length. It's not long at all, so yeah. But if you're going to go longer than this, yeah, you definitely want to do a thicker apex. Alright, and then here I'm just using a manicure brush to remove any of the excess dust. And then I'm just filling over the nail to make sure I've done my e-filing correctly. Alright, and then now I'm just taking a little buffer and I'm just buffing over the top of the nail, and I'm going to buff underneath the underside. I really recommend buffing on the underside as well, because sometimes when you file, you get like little frays from it could be the nail tip or the acrylic itself, and when you file underneath the nail, it can also help restore your shape. Do not skip this step at all. Like, this is so important, and it also helps, like, if you have scratches left from the e-file, it'll get it out, so your polish application will be like stellar. Alright, and that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and enjoyed the update, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.